Hello everyone, today is May the 6th. I'm Dr. Adam London, Director of the Kent County Health Department for the daily COVID-19 update. Across the state of Michigan, it's reported there are 44,397 diagnosed cases of COVID-19 with 4,179 deaths statewide. Here in Kent County, as of this morning, it's reported there's 1,987 cases of COVID-19, which again is an increase of about 80 over yesterday. And so we're seeing a fairly consistent rate of increase day over day, which again suggests that we're at the plateau of the curve under the current circumstances. And we're currently still at 40 deaths. As I mentioned last week, here at Kent County Health Department, we're trying as hard as we can to expand our testing and really to focus on testing on our most vulnerable populations and our high-risk populations and our frontline workers. So I'm very happy to say that today we started offering testing for all of our first responders. We've been working with police chiefs, fire chiefs, and other leaders in the first response community to make sure they have access to testing. That's very important in protecting our frontline workers so they have the confidence to do their job. They know that they can get testing if they need it, if they think they've had an exposure, and that helps us to identify cases before they spread and before they infect their coworkers so that we can slow down the transmission of the spread of this virus as much as possible and protect those first responders who are so critical to our community all the time, but especially now in the midst of this pandemic. I also want to mention that yesterday I had a great conversation with Dr. Andrew Jameson. Dr. Jameson is the Chief of Infectious Disease at Mercy Health St. Mary's here in Grand Rapids. And we covered a wide variety of topics, ranging from antibody testing to mask use to how to keep your institution or your place of employment as low risk as possible. So I really encourage you to watch this video. It's a little bit longer than the videos we usually create, but it's just packed full of great content. And so if you're curious about any of those questions, and these are the kind of things that we've been receiving a lot of questions about in the past few weeks, watch that video. I think you'll enjoy it. Finally, I want to say a word of thanks to two groups of employees in our community who mean so much to all of us. And the first is our teachers. This is Teacher Appreciation Week. And while our kids aren't in school like usual in the brick and mortar classroom, we all appreciate our teachers so much. And as the parent of a 9th grader, an 8th grader, and a 4th grader, I can tell you the challenges that my wife and I have in trying to become their teacher during the stay-at-home situation. And I know it's tough work. It's incredibly tough work, and we appreciate our teachers more than ever, especially seeing how challenging that work is. So everyone knows a teacher. Please reach out and thank a teacher for all they've done for you and for our community. The second group that I want to thank right now is our nurses. Today is Nurse Appreciation Day. I'm blessed to work with a large team of nurses here at the Kent County Health Department. My mother is a nurse, and I also get to see the fantastic nurses working into all of our institutions here in the Kent County area. And nurses are so important, and right now they are frontline workers. In fact, they're always frontline workers, but now more than ever, their work is so critical in keeping this epidemic as small as possible and providing care for us in so many ways. So again, everyone knows a nurse. Reach out to a nurse in your life and let them know how much you appreciate all of the terrific work that they do to keep all of us healthy and safe. And I want to encourage you to stay positive, stay heroic, stay healthy, keep doing the things that you're doing to keep this COVID-19 epidemic as small as possible and as causing as little damage as possible to our community. You're doing tremendous work. It's having a positive effect, and it makes a difference. I'm Dr. Adam London with the Kent County Health Department, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.